Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing where I follow person's instructions. So I'll be doing Kiara Sky Nails instruction on how to get a butterfly nail design. So let's get started.
Okay everyone, so to start off this look, I'm going to push back my model's cuticles, and then I'm going to prep her for acrylic application. So now that I have her natural nail tape prepped for acrylic application, I'm going to apply a form. We're going to sculpt the base of this nail.
So what she said is that she preps the client's nails. So I just push back the cuticles. Now I'm going to softly buff the nails. I'm going to gently buff the nails. So I buff the nails, I prep it. I'm going to get my nail form. Finding nail form is very easy to manage. Okay, have it on. We're going to do one at a time. So we're going to put some primer on. That's a part of the preparation for nails. So I usually coat it 2 times. Let that dry and then I coat it, and then I'm going to do it again. I'm coating it a second time. Just a habit, just a force of habit to coat it 2 times. For that added protection, so I'll put on my nail form, okay?
Before we add our 3D art. The colors I'm going to be using today is Rose Quartz from Glam & Glitz Color Blend Collection. And I'm also going to be using Jaunty from Glam & Glitz Fantasy Acrylic Collection.
So I'll only be using one color, Fairy Dust, that I created and I named. I recently used it in one of my videos. This, you can barely see the dust. It's almost similar to the color that she's using. So I'm going to use it for the base of the nail.
To be using Jaunty to build our free edge. I really love using Jaunty when I'm sculpting.
So I'm just going to use my fairy dust to build everything, because homegirl don't have any other dust looking like this. So we'll be taking my fairy dust and we're going to do the norm. My fairy dust. So pretty. So I'll start at the end and work my way up. I'm going for a long stiletto today. Using this color here, it's just dust, so I'm just going to just lightly And just rub it gently over this, and then put some dust on there. So right now I put the shattered glass as glitter as another option, because she had two types of glitter working with, but these just won't stay. I'm going to encapsulate it with clear. So I'm going to leave that to dry just to see how it looks down the barrel of the nail. It's looking great. We're going to leave that to dry.
You're going to remove the acrylic off this, and because it has that smooth finish, it's going to be easy for us to do that. So what I like to do is fold this in half. I'm going to take my model's nail and I'm going to measure how big I want the base. So now that I have my middle point, I'm going to go ahead and draw the butterfly wing. So now that we're done drawing this side of the wings, I'm going to go over it again, and I'm going to put a lot of pressure so that it can indent on the other side. Now before these dry completely, I'm going to bend the paper so that our wings will have a nice little curve in them. So now we're going to set our wings aside so they can properly dry, and we're going to go back to our nail. Whenever I grab my file, I want to make sure that I am taking down the edges of the file, because you
Crawfish that. Crack a crawfish. Supposed to be a butterfly, I say, oh yeah, this the thing so. What do you do? And then set this aside and keep going there. I'm gonna get some cotton, acetone, whichever you prefer, and wipe down the nail. Ooh, look at that. Alright. Okay. Back away.
And we are going
My
to
attempt. I'm going to try to straighten it up.
Until it dries. Clear acrylic, and we are going to hold the wings into this acrylic bead until it dries. Now that I have, we are going to hold the wings into this acrylic bead until it dries. If you guys would
So
in the comments below. Don't forget.
Because I'm hard-headed, I didn't hear a word. This is my attempt butterfly. I'm going to add it to the nail. So she says, add a little bit. On the plate. I use the back of this, and I'm going to use one of the big ones and put it on there. I'll continue doing this. It's going somewhere. It's going somewhere. Yeah.